adding the creativity into our wreaths that we sell every day really will elevate your design style and give your customers something to come to you for. Today we're going to take a look at making this wreath, and so kind of a contrasting wreath showing some negative space and some creative flowers that are made out of wire, and taking that current style of the birch branches and then updating it with that strong geometric look. So this piece here is what I started with, was utilizing, it's the basic green wreath. I sprayed it with Super Silver from Design Master. So now we're going to take a look at making this wreath. So we're going to start with our faux birch branches. These are a styrofoam insert in a birch branch. And what I'm going to do is use a technique starting with the new silver bind wire from Smithers Oasis. And I've just banded both sides and I've twisted it 4 times. And what that does is indicates my spacing so that I can do a consistent spacing on each one. By using the faux branches, we're able to create more lightweight piece that's going to go on your door or on your wall versus using the regular birch branches. So you can see here, by doing that consistent twist, we're able to get consistent spacing on that. So the next thing that we're going to do is create the flower. And on here I'm using the 1/2 inch flat wire. I'm going to start here and twist that and come in to a 1/2 twist, fold it up, 1/2 twist. So now I have my 3 flowers, and we're going to come in and start putting our wreath together. Here's our finished wreath, and you can see the creative flair that's added to this design, the use of negative space and the strong vertical presence and geometric lines really add to the value of this design. So I hope you'll take these ideas and bring them to your customers.